Contrary to what you might think, hiring a professional real estate agent to sell your property is not a thing of the past. While many sellers are choosing to fly solo in putting their homes on the market, selling a property is a major undertaking. In efforts to eliminate realtor commission fees charged by the broker, this process could wind up being more expensive than the realtor's actual commission in the long run. Don't discount the value of hiring a professional, seasoned realtor. 1. Real estate is a full-time job. Are you prepared to work some major overtime? Realtors are 24/7 liaisons to buyers and sellers. Agents can also have quick, easy access to all the properties on the market, as well as past histories of properties that were on the market years ago. For buyers, a good agent will work tirelessly to hunt down homes meeting specific criteria, contact sellers' agents, and schedule appointments for home viewings. Buyers without an agent can expect to play phone tag, sometimes waiting for a return call for days, resulting in homes being sold before it is possible to view them. Sellers without an agent can expect to spend all of their time hunting down qualified buyers, answering questions in numerous phone calls, making appointments, and the list goes on and on. This can actually result in unnecessary delays in the sale of a home, as buyers are likely to move on when they do not get quick responses. Rushing home from work to meet a buyer for a scheduled showing can be particularly frustrating and a major waste of time when the interested party is a no-show. Negotiations can be tricky. Number 2, and many people can believe that direct negotiation between buyers and sellers is more effective and better suits the interest of each party. However, not every party is reasonable or honest, and this philosophy is born of the assumption that both the buyer and the seller are people who are able to form an amicable business relationship. Unfortunately, this is rarely the case in today's world. As a buyer, you may find that you like a particular home, despite the 1970s laminate flooring in the kitchen and the orange shade carpet in the family room. The advantage of working with a realtor is that you have someone to whom you may express distaste, thus preventing from insulting the decorating skills of the current owner. Your realtor will then work to gently convey such concerns to the seller's agent. The agent would be in a better position to negotiate on your behalf without upsetting the homeowner. Realtors are fabulous at keeping deals going. Sometimes tensions between buyers and sellers can kill a deal. Remember that a seller can reject a buyer's offer for any reason. Agents are great at speaking up for their clients through difficult transactions, thus resulting in a smoother business deal process. Realtors pride themselves in putting their clients in the best possible position to get the homes that they want. Sellers need the benefit of a hardworking realtor who will best represent interests without repelling prospective buyers who attempt to whittle away at the sale price. 3, understanding the contract is a must. Regardless of which end of the real estate business deal you may find yourself, the purchase offer contract acts as a means of protection in ensuring that you may void the deal at any time if conditions are not met. Realtors deal with contracts and conditions every day. They are familiar with which standards should be implemented and which conditions may safely be removed, and how to use the contract as a means of protection for both the buyer and the seller. And 4th, contrary to popular belief, it is illegal for real estate agents to lie. There are many repercussions, such as fines, revocation of license. Private buyers and sellers have no one to whom they must account for their actions. If you are under an agency agreement with a licensed realtor, your agent is bound by common law to a fiduciary responsibility. They must act in the best interests of their clients. Most realtors rely heavily upon referrals and repeat business of past clients in order to build their businesses. Acting in the best interest of clients is of utmost importance to them. Remember, when buyers and sellers work directly together, legal counsel should be sought. Legal retainers cost a great deal more than a realtor's commission.